Welcome to Future Fuel. Today, we're diving into a legacy reborn, the all-new 2025 Dodge Caravan. A name that has been synonymous with family road trips and practicality for decades is back with a modern twist, blending cutting-edge technology, bold design, and uncompromised versatility. Overview of the 2025 Dodge Caravan. The 2025 Dodge Caravan isn't just a minivan, it's a complete reimagination of what a family vehicle can be. Dodge has taken its heritage of reliability and paired it with futuristic features to keep up with today's demanding lifestyles. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a busy parent, the 2025 Caravan promises to deliver on all fronts. Let's talk about design. The new Dodge Caravan has undergone a significant transformation. Its exterior now boasts a bold, muscular presence, with sleek lines and a modernized front fascia. The signature Dodge grille is flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it a confident look. The rear features a sporty spoiler and wraparound LED tail lights, providing an aesthetic that's as stylish as it is functional. The Caravan sits on newly designed 18-inch or optional 20-inch alloy wheels, giving it a stance that commands attention while remaining practical for everyday driving. Dodge has clearly worked hard to ensure this model appeals to both traditional minivan lovers and those seeking something a little more daring. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that redefines family-friendly luxury. The 2025 Dodge Caravan offers seating for up to 8 passengers with premium materials across all trims. From leather upholstery to contrast stitching, the attention to detail is impressive. But what truly stands out is the functionality. Stow-and-go seating makes a return, allowing for flexible configurations and incredible storage options. The flat folding rear seats open up enough space to carry anything from sports equipment to furniture. Dodge has also added power sliding doors and a hands-free liftgate, making access easier than ever. Technology and connectivity. In terms of tech, the 2025 Caravan is a leader in its class. It features a massive 12.3-inch infotainment screen powered by Dodge's Uconnect system. This interface is user-friendly, offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. Rear passengers are treated to dual 10-inch entertainment screens with built-in streaming apps, ensuring that long drives are enjoyable for everyone. The optional 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system delivers a concert-like experience, perfect for both family sing-alongs and solo road trips. Another highlight is the fully digital driver display, which provides real-time information from speed and fuel levels to navigation and advanced safety alerts. And speaking of safety features. Guidance system for those who cannot see. Dodge has prioritized safety in the 2025 Caravan. It's equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. For added convenience, there's a 360-degree camera system, parking assist, and a new feature called Kid Check, which alerts the driver to check the rear seats before exiting. Perfect for parents who have their hands full. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Dodge Caravan offers 2 powertrain options. The base model features a 3.6-liter V6 engine, producing 287 horsepower, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking more efficiency, there's an available plug-in hybrid variant, combining a 2.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 260 horsepower and an impressive all-electric range of 30 miles. The Caravan suspension has been fine-tuned for comfort, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. With optional all-wheel drive, the Caravan is ready to tackle challenging weather conditions, adding a layer of confidence to your journeys. Malik. Pricing and trims. The 2025 Dodge Caravan will be available in 3 trims: SE, GT, and the top tier R/T. Pricing starts at around $35,000 for the base model, while the fully laded R/T trim with all the bells and whistles will cost approximately $50,000. Conclusion. The 2025 Dodge Caravan is more than just a comeback. It's a statement. Dodge has seamlessly blended its rich heritage with modern innovations, creating a minivan that appeals to today's families and adventurers. If you're in the market for a versatile, stylish, and tech-loaded family vehicle, the 2025 Caravan should be at the top of your list. Quote, "Thanks for tuning in to Future Fuel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest automotive innovations. Let us know in the comments what excites you most about the 2025 Dodge Caravan. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious."